Ayan, so syempre, 'di ba? Kailangan pag glowing outside tayo, kailangan meron din tayong inner glow. And of course, it's from organic nature. So it comes with marine collagen plus reduced L-glutathione and pearl coix extract with vitamin C. Ayan po siya. So yan. Let's drink. Mas masarap siya pagka merong ice. So, lagyan natin siya ng ice. More refreshing siya kasi malamig, di ba? Sarap. So, okay guys, itong mga ingredient nito just to inform you na ito yung mga nagpapaglow sa ating skin. Kaya, yan yung mga kailangan ng skin natin para mag-glow. You should really try this and give it a chance. Okay? So, ayan guys, kakatapos lang natin mag-walking exercise. It's time for our Shaping Detox Organic Nature. So, let's go. Ayan. Shake, shake, shake lang tayo. Siyempre, ito dapat kailangan, sasamahan nyo din ng very light exercise kasi hindi naman po to magic, no? Ayan, let's go. Very refreshing. So, try nyo guys. This is very helpful, lalo na sa weight ko. Kasi, nababawasan yung gutom ko. So, very refreshing talaga siya. Try nyo guys.